Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a calendar in Notion in 2024. So today we're diving into how to create a calendar in Notion. Calendars, of course, are essential for organizing your schedule, managing projects, and keeping track of important dates. With Notion flexible and powerful features, you can create a customized calendar that suits your needs. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, you'll need to go and open Notion. To do so, go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use this wherever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just type notion.com, hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen, main screen. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll basically find yourself on this screen. Click on login if you have an account. If you don't, click on get started or get Notion for free to create an account. And you can use Google, Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account as an example. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on somewhere like here. So as you can see, this is basically the home screen. So once you open it, of course, you can start by creating a page, give your page a title that reflects purposes such as work calendar or personal planner or even project timeline, and you can start adding your calendar to your page. But one thing I just want to mention, of course, you can simply just, instead of creating a calendar in Notion, you can simply just connect your Notion to Google Calendar. And as you can see the common events and join meeting from home. Basically, just if you add things on your Google Calendar, you'll be basically able to see them here in Notion without any problems. So I'll come back to this later, which is how to connect it to Google Calendar if you care. As you can see, all you need to do basically, let's just do it now. So all you need to do, just click on connect and click on continue to Google permission. Give it the account that you want to be connected to. As you can see, it will not take a lot of time. So you can select all to give it all the permissions, read it out if you care. If you don't care, just click on continue and it should be connected. So everything that you add on your Notion like now should be good to go. You'll find it right away here on your Notion without any problems. So as you can see, common events, I have no events. So if I click on add a new events, they'll take me as an example to this Notion, as example, it's called Notion Calendar, but it's Google like calendar. So if I add anything, as example, maybe I have here some tests or something like that. Of course, you can add participants and etc. So what about this specific time? Of course, you can add something here. As example, add another test in here, etc. And yeah, so once you edit all those stuff, of course, you can simply just close it, refresh this page, and as you can see in here, in the upcoming events, you'll find like something coming. Oh, today I have like a test. Of course, you can click on it and you'll be taken to the page on Google Calendar. So it says here like Notion, but it's actually Google Calendar because it's connected to it. As you can see, we created a simple calendar in Notion by connecting it to Google Calendar, as you can see. So you don't have to go and create your own template by your own. But of course, if you care about creating your own template, it's up to you. Of course, first of all, you can go to this list panel. If you click and even open this calendar, this will take you as an example to Notion Calendar versus Google Calendar. Why? Because of course we connected this before. So there is an option in here. But as we said, for us, we can simply just go and create one from the beginning. So as example here, we can create like a meeting calendar or something like example, a school calendar or something like that. So I'll just go here and look for something calendar. So there's nothing on school. What about just work as example? So calendar. For example, we have here some templates. So maybe basic content calendar example. So there's a template here that I can choose from. And I don't know. So okay, I'll just go and get the templates as example in here, and I'll start basically using this template as you can see. So here I can just go and add new things to my calendar as example. So okay, let me just go and delete it. As you can see, first of all, like my calendar will be shown like this. So this is an example, an idea. This is things I have in progress. This is in review. This is published. And yeah, as you can see by status, if you want to assign them by assignee, by all projects, as example, you'll be able to see it here. Deadlines, etc. Launched calendar, and etc. So basically, a template that I found here by Notion that will make me, as an example, use a calendar So that's basically, we created the simple calendar. Now we can start adding stuff to it. So, example, I'll just give it again. It's its name, a line. You can simply assign. You can assign someone to it. Add comments. Example, do whatever you want. Add like things to it, like post, video, and etc. Whatever you want. And as you can see, it should be added here. You can, as an example, put it somewhere. So, as example, you can hide it from group. You can add it to favorites. You can give it an icon. You can do whatever you want. As example, you can even, as example, move it to idea. So maybe this new event that you added is an idea, or maybe a work in projects, maybe something in review, and etc. So basically that's it. So of course you can simply just go and create, as example, a new page and publish, or I don't know, maybe create whatever you want. Instead of like create a new and assign it to somewhere, just click on plus on new page on the specific thing, and you can simply just add whatever you want there. So yeah, those are two options, as you can see, which will let you add a calendar. So you can use calendar by Google Calendar, or simply start something from templates. You can make sure, as example, to make it to add as favorite, so you have easy access to it if you have a lot of things. And yeah, so now you can start edit whatever you have, whatever you want. As example, on your calendar, event, and etc. You can add some, give it description, change the title of it, or do whatever you want. So basically, for you, you can customize your calendar properties and add events, of course, to your calendar. Create some recurring like event. Use filters and views, like filters like this in progress and etc. Integrate some tasks and projects. Style your calendar however you want. And once you're done with all of that, you can simply just share your calendar with others, with your team, as example. And you can even embed your calendar if you want to embed your Notion calendar into another Notion page or external website. You can simply just go again and share it and embed it however you want, or publish it somewhere on the web so people have access to it. So yeah, there you have it. You successfully learned how to create a calendar in Notion. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.